Atenção! É agora que o bicho vai pegar! Aumente o volume, aumente o volume, aumente o volume.
DJ Alysom.
Bass, 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 bass. My bass, my bass in it. My bass, my bass in it. My bass, my bass in it. My bass. Now I started the bass a long time ago. The people got into it, but the MCs We need some bass. How low can you go? Low, 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 low. Bass. How low can you go? How low can you go? Bass. How low can you go? Low, 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 low. Bass. How low can you go? How low?
Romeo.
Body shaking and breaking, girl is taking and flaking. Yeah, we rhyme making, no faking and no forsaking. What we state, my pops is reeling and dealing. Romeo rocking and wheeling. The girl is touching and feeling joy from the floor to the ceiling. We need some bass. How low can you go? Low, 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 low. Bass. How low can you go? How low can you go? Bass. How low can you go? Low, 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 low. Bass. How low can you go? How low can you go?
Bass. 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 More bass, more bass. 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 More bass.
Let's go.
Defcon
The cuties get connected on the party line. When they hear my voice, I'll be their choice. Conversation is inspected, rejected or selected. So baby, get connected with me.
Let's go.
If you're looking for some action and a funky time, sit your butt right down, call the party line. You could listen on in or join the fun to find the guy or girl who could be the one to hold you tight in their arms all night. Keep you rocking and rolling until the morning light. So if you wanna call up, try your luck and find a cutie to bring to your hut. The cuties get connected on the party line. When they hear my voice, I'll be their choice. Conversation is inspected, rejected or selected. So baby, get connected with me.
Let's go. Oh.
Yeah! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Yeah, boy!
You know, I just saw Betty. She's hanging out with Freddie. Rapping on the party line, he said he likes spaghetti. He drives a Maserati, and Betty likes his body. He tried to make a move, so she had to use karate. Did you hear about Linda? She said she found a winner. She met him on the party line. He asked her out to dinner. He picked her up at 7. She thought she was in heaven. He took her to McDonald's. She was home before 11.
Rock the house, yo.
I wanna have some fun.
Rock the house, yo.
I wanna have some fun.
Rock the house, yo.
I wanna have some fun.
Rock the house, yo.
I wanna have some fun.
Party people,
This line's for you.
party people,
You know what to do
party people,
to have a funky time.
party people.
Get on the line. The party line is rocking. It really works. But you better watch out for the souped up jerks. They're the kind with the lines who think they're so slick. When they talk that jazz, we just give them the click like this.
Yeah, this is Rambo, okay? And I'm on a mission to get you into my Trans Am. So what's your number?
Click.
Hey man, this is Snoopy. They call me Snoopy because I find all the girls, baby, and I find you. Yeah.
Click.
Baby, I'm Carvel. Smooth like the ice cream. So let's melt down together.
Click. The cuties get connected. Hello? 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 The cuties get connected. Excuse me? The cuties get connected. Is this the party line? The cuties get connected. Hello?
Yeah, who's out there tonight?
Oh, please.
Oh, girl, you sound so good.
I got so much money, baby. You don't know me, but I look good, baby. Real good, baby.
Give me a break.
Come on, what are you being so stuck up for? I'm the best looking guy you'll ever hear, alright?
Do I look like Jane Tarzan?
Come on, baby, let's go back to my hut and do the wild thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's get loose, let's get crazy.
Give me a break.
I'm gonna know why you gotta play that role.
So come on, give me your number, baby. Give me your number, please.
My phone number is 911.
I know what's up with that. Let me tell you something. You never had a man like I'm a man. And these other guys are a bunch of jerks.
You have got to be kidding.
You get sprung. Wanna pull up tough, cause you notice that butt was stuffed deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, excuse me, cause you ain't that average groupie. I seen her dancing, to hell with romancing. She's sweat, wet, got it going like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines, saying flat butts all the thing. Take the average black man and ask him that. She gotta pack much back. So fellas, does your girlfriend got your butt?
Hell
Tell
yeah.
her shake it,
Shake it.
shake it,
Shake it.
shake that healthy butt. Baby got back.
with the open booty.
Baby got back.
With the open booty. LA face with the open booty.
I like them round and big, and when I'm throwing a gig, I just can't help myself. I'm acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I wanna get you home and double up. I ain't talking about Playboy, cause silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real thick and juicy, so find that juicy double. Mix a lot's in trouble, begging for a piece of that bubble. So I'm looking at rock videos, knock-knee bimbos walking like hoes. You can have them bimbos, I'll keep my women like Flojo. A word to the thick soul sisters, I wanna get with ya. I won't cuss or hit ya, but I gotta be straight when I say I wanna. Till the break of dawn, baby got it going on. A lot of simps won't like this song, cause them punks like to hit it and quit it. And I'd rather stay and play, cause I'm long and I'm strong and I'm down to get the friction on. So ladies, if you wanna roll my Mercedes, then turn around, stick it out. Even white boys got to shout, baby got back. Baby got back.
Yeah, baby. When it comes to females, Cosmo ain't got nothing to do with my selection. 36, 24, 36. Only if she's 5'3".
So your girlfriend rolls a Honda, playing workout tapes by Fonda, but Fonda ain't got a motor in the back of her Honda. My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. You can do side bends or sit-ups, but please don't lose that butt. Some brothers wanna play that hard role and tell you that the butt ain't gold, so they toss it and leave it, and I pull up quick to retrieve it. So Cosmo says you're fat. Well, I ain't down with that, cause your waist is small and your curves are kicking, and I'm thinking about sticking to the beanpole dames in the magazines. You ain't it, miss thing. Give me a sister, I can't resist her. Red beans and rice didn't miss her. Some knucklehead tried to diss, cause his girls are on my list. He had game, but he chose to hit him, and I pull up quick to get with him. So ladies, if the butt is round and you want a triple X throwdown, dial 1-900-MIX-A-LOT and kick them nasty thoughts. Baby got back. Baby got back. Little and all, but you got much back. Little and all, but you got much.
poppin'. Keep on rockin'. Twist that booty round and round. Bring it on down, bring it on down. If you are a sexy cute tat and you got a big old booty, come on baby, come on dance with too much booty in your pants. Too much booty in the pants, 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 pants. Now I got you in the groove. Shake that booty like a fool. All the ladies with the boom. 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you say boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Yeah, say boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom, shakalaka boom, oh yeah. Come on, party people, don't stop. We gon' take it straight to the top. Too much booty in your pants. Put the fellas in the trance. Yo, fellas, let me hear you say yeah. If you like a big booty, say yeah. All the ladies in the house, say yeah. If you got a big booty, say yeah. Too much booty in the pants, pants. 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 Too much booty in the pants, 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 pants. Got a lot of booty in your pants, then you gotta do this. Got a lot of booty in your pants, then you gotta do this. Got a lot of booty in your pants, then you gotta do this. Got a lot of booty in your, got a lot of booty in your. Boom shakalaka laka, boom shakalaka laka, boom shakalaka laka, boom shakalaka laka. Here I come back for more. Sound Master D on the floor. Nobody's leaving out the door. Gonna work that booty till it's so. Just keep on bouncing up and down. I'ma keep on booming in your sounds. That's how we do it in Chi-Town. Breakdown.
Ah, yeah. This is the Jack Master Woods, along with the Sound Master T. We wanna give a stupid shouts out to all the ladies with the big old booties and all the fellas who rockin' those big old booties. New York, Detroit, Chicago, Miami, Philly, Atlanta, Texas, LA, New Jersey, London. Sound Master T and Jack Master Wood. Don't put it to the 9-4. I gotta go. I see a girl over there with a big old booty. Please.
Essa você só ouve aqui.
DJ Alysom.